All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're looking at another Carnegie Mellon activity. This one happens to be Perfume from lesson 4. So what we're going to do is we are making this right here, and we start out with just this. So what we're trying to do is make this, it says draw the bottle, place your code here, and then draw the perfume spray. So we've got to draw this and this here. So this is actually right here. Is we have a star. Okay, so if we actually click on this, we can see this is the not that right here. So this is our star. This is our first one. So we want to do this one first. And we can see that the gradient is white, silver, and white. So let's get started with that. So we'll start with star here. In the 165, 280, and then we can see also the radius and the roundness and things like that. So in the points. So let's go ahead and do 165, 280, 130, 29, and then the gradient was, I believe, white, silver, white. And we're going to start that. Let's do that from the right. Okay, so if we run this, okay, so that's our first part. Okay, let's see what left looks like. Can't really notice much difference there. We'll leave it just left. So now we need to do the bottle. Or the outline of the bottle, I guess. And that's a star as well. And basically, you can fill this in with the same thing, except the fill is going to be none. You can see the color there is none with the border width. So that's what we're doing there. Oh, I actually missed a whole big part here because I have to do the roundness for the other part too. And then the opacity too. So we'll go back up here. Okay, so let's run that. There, that looks better. Now we just have this last part here, and that's the perfume. Excuse me. That is another star, though. Alright, so actually here's this perfume. I actually totally forgot to draw this, so I'll have to come back to this here in a second. But we'll focus on this up here first. This is a star. And 2,000 points. That's how you get this smattering effect right here. And that's going to be plum. And I believe the roundness is 20. Yep. Okay, see if I can do that. There. Okay, that's perfect. Now I got to go back up here and draw this part, which I should have done first, but that's okay. So that's an oval. 165, 290. $240, $220, and then we're filling that with plum as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. There, that's better. All right, hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.